Hello guys, welcome again to my YouTube channel. Today I'm trading on this Olymp trade broker. So if you are new, please subscribe it, and if you have any doubt or any question, just put it below on the comment section and I read all of them. So guys, I made a trade right here with $20, 1 minute expiration. This is my live account. I also have a demo account, and that's what I recommend you to start with the demo account. So guys, remember, on the last video I talked about this trading strategy, but let me make a review. This is the most effective strategy that I've been working with on this broker. Okay, on this broker, I think this is one of the best strategy. So guys, it's very simple. I already won this trade, as you can see. Yeah, I won this trade. You can see here, 1 minute expiration. So let me explain to you what is this trade about. Once the price hit the lower bollinger band, and it is also on the oversold zone on the CCI indicator, we made a call option. I mean, up bet. As simple as that, guys. Okay. So the same happened here when the price, for example, touch the upper bollinger band, which is this in this case, for example. It touched and it crossed the upper bollinger band, but also we have the CCI on the overbought zone, so we can make a down option here. It's really simple but very powerful. So I just want to hear about you. How are you doing with this strategy? Because I have upload like 3 or 4 videos about this trading strategy. So I want to know how you are doing with this. Just let me know on the comment section, or go direct to my Facebook group and post it there. Guys, I want to remember you that if you open an account on this broker right now, with the link that I have on the description, you may receive a trading bonus to trade some options without risk. Later on, I will upload a video trading those kind of options. But again, let's see what is happening with this pair. Let's wait. I think it can give me another opportunity to make a call option too. So I'm just waiting a little bit. I'm waiting for the CCI to go, I mean, to cross the oversold zone. Okay guys, no, not yet. So let me start since the beginning. For some of you that don't know how to start from the beginning and which are the settings for my indicators. So guys, the first thing that we have to do is to go to this tool, which is the tool with the indicators and everything. I look for the bollinger bands here. Bollinger bands, as you can see, I use the same setting, the default setting. I don't change anything, but if you want to change the setting, you just have to click here and you can change it to whatever you want. For example, you can say, alright, I want the simple moving average of 26 period, for example. In my case, I will use only 20 periods because that's the one working for me. And standard deviation, you can also increase the standard deviation to whatever you want. So that's the first indicator. So guys, the other indicator that I use here with this strategy is the CCI. Instead of the CCI, you can also use the RSI, but it's up to you in that case. For me, it works perfectly, this one, the CCI. So let's see. All right, we have the dollar index here. I mean, it's reaching the lower bollinger bands, and it is also on the oversold zone. Let's see. Let's see what is happening. I will make yeah, I will make a call option to 1 minute expiration. It's important to wait a little bit more in this case until this candlestick close. For example, I can make another trade here. Just waiting for this candlestick to close. Once this candlestick that is forming right now close, I can make another call option. All right. Let's see how many seconds are we. Okay, we are missing 15 seconds. Here I can make another call option. No, I'm late. I'm late. Yeah, too late. Guys, we won this trade too. As you can see, is very accurate. I win 85 or 86% of the trades with this trading strategy. That's why I have my live account.